So, if you're watching this video, you just created your account, and the first thing you're probably going to do when you're making a new campaign is you want to import a list. Okay, so this video is just going to show you how to do that. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to go to lists. Okay, so once I'm here, I'm going to see here that there's a static and there's a dynamic type of list. All I'm going to be worried about now is a static list. That's going to be basically meaning a list doesn't change. Okay, so everything that I import, it's going to stay in there. But in order to import a list, we have to export another list. Okay, so I use Wodify. Now you might be using MindBody, Zen Planner, something similar. Now every single one of these platforms is going to be able to give you an option to export a list. Usually we want to export our clients, people that haven't shown up, whatever. I have myself selected because I'm just going to export myself. Okay, so what I want to do is export it, open that file up. All I want to do when I'm here, and notice how it's going to update all my information that I have. I'm not too worried about everything, but all I'm going to do is save this file as a CSV. Okay, and I'll call it Joey List. And once I saved it as a CSV format, I'm going to go back to flextext. Now I'm going to upload it. So what do I want to call it? I'm going to call it Joey List again. I could put anything I want there. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose the file. Joey List. And it's going to upload all the information that I have. Now, the only thing I'm concerned about is uploading my first name. Just because when I send out the text message, I want it to say my first name. It's just going to make it feel more personalized. And I'm going to need my phone number, okay? Because without my phone number, I'm not going to be able to text. I'm not going to have anything to text to. So once I did that, you see it just popped up. It's queued for import. Now you can upload a list as big as you want, and it's only going to take a few minutes to do. No matter how big the list is. It's importing now and it's going to be available in just a second. Okay, and that is the first step, and that is how you upload your list into flextext. Okay, good luck. See you in the next video.